Hello, and today I'll be showing you how to use the African names portion of the Slave Voyages database. This database allows users to search names of enslaved people who were part of the transatlantic slave trade. Users can search by place of origin, place of embarkment, and place of disembarkment. In addition to that, you can search by general variables, including African name, ship name, voyage ID, time frame, age, height, and sex and age. So let's do a search for girls between 1780 and 1815 who were disembarked in Freetown. So here are our results. As you can see, they are currently sorted by the voyage ID. However, if you click any of these categories on the top, you can organize it that way. So we'll click on age to sort from youngest to oldest. Okay, so by doing this, we can see that there were several one-year-old girls that meet our criteria. And now if we select one of these, let's say Betty, we can go to the African origins section of the database and click View. This will bring us to the African origins page that corresponds with this record. So here we can see the information that was presented in the database along with name information such as language groups and modern counterparts. We can also see this map, which if we zoom in shows us the location of that language group on the African continent and also shows us the port of embarkment. So, this was a brief introduction to the African names database. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.